Hey guys, hope all of you doing okay. Today we are going to make braised peanut, 卤花生. Okay, this braised peanut is the one they serve as appetizer in Chinese restaurant. And that's the one that is served in pathetic little portion. And after you finish it, you want to ask for more, and they give you another pathetic small portion. Fear not, worry not, we're going to make it ourselves. Make a big portion, store in the fridge, have as much as you want. Okay? So I use a small peanut. In the restaurant, they use a bigger peanut, and that's the one I want to use next time. Okay, this time around I use a small one. Alright? So let's go.